Smith with Texas AgriLife Extension Service, and I bet you're wondering what's for dinner tonight. Well, I might have the answer. It's going to be healthy Southern shrimp and grits. So let's get started. You see I have a skillet here, but we're not going to start with the skillet. Actually, you're going to start with the grits. It takes about 2 minutes to cook grits in a saucepan on top of a stove, and you can use either milk or water. I like to use water because it cuts down on the fat. So we already have cooked our grits, and now we're going to cook what goes on top of those grits. So we're going to start with the hot skillet. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And then we're going to put our vegetables in. Actually, shrimp and grits doesn't call for vegetables, but we're going to put vegetables in there to make it healthy. So we're going to put our onions in there and some bell pepper. And we're going to let that sit and saute for a minute so that the onions caramelize. Now this dish is actually going to cost you $2.94 per serving, but if you're a shrimp lover like I am, you'll sacrifice the cost. As you can see, I picked out some pretty shrimp today. These shrimp are actually frozen shrimp, and they've already been pre-cooked. So we're not going to cook them. We're just going to stick them in there for just a minute, because if we cook them, it'll make them rubbery, and you don't cook shrimp more than about 3 minutes or it will get rubbery. If you're using fresh shrimp, like I said, about 3 minutes, and you would put that in there so that it can be cooking. Okay, so our onions are nice and tender now, translucent and caramelized, and we're ready to add our tomatoes. That smells good. And we're just trying to get them warm. That's all we're trying to do. We're not trying to cook the tomatoes or anything like that. And that same thing with the shrimp. We're not going to cook the shrimp. We're just going to get it warm, because it's been in the refrigerator. So we're going to warm it up with our onions and our bell pepper. Oh, I can smell shrimp now. Now, if you want to, you can put a little bit of salt or pepper in here, or season it up with some of your favorite seasoning. Just watch your sodium content. And that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. So let me ladle this up for you onto our plate. It's going to go on top of our grits. And like I said before, I've already put our salad on the plate. We're going to serve it with a strawberry and spinach salad. Just going to ladle this over our grits. And you'll get probably about this size shrimp. This is a medium to a small shrimp. So you're going to get about 6 to 8 shrimp per person. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Shrimp and grits. Southern style, but with a healthy twist. The next time you're wondering what's for dinner tonight, I hope that you'll remember Texas AgriLife Extension Service and that we have healthy recipes for you.